guys, what's up? Danielle here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to click that subscribe button and join the family. This is my foster pup, Ivy. She is a service dog in training with Paws Giving Independence. I have been her puppy raiser and trainer since February, and now it is finally time that she spreads her wings and goes to her next stages of training. I wanted to vlog and bring you guys along with me to spend our last few days together. She leaves on Tuesday at 11 a.m. I am dropping her off at the Logan Correctional Facility in Lincoln, Illinois. She will head to the Helping Paws program and learn all of her advanced training. She is my sweet, sassy girl, and I'm going to miss her so much. If you want to see my vlog with my last foster, Wendell, I'll have a link down below. But this vlog is all about Miss Ivy. I just want to show her how much I love her and how much I'm going to miss her, because the next time I might see her will be at her graduation. I cannot wait for that day, but I'm going to miss her so much. I'm so proud of everything she's accomplished already. I cannot wait to see all that she becomes. So I have to do the hard part and let her go. Today's Sunday, so we have today, tomorrow, and Tuesday. So today we're headed to Starved Rock. I'm so excited. She's never been there before, so I'm excited to take her and see how she likes it and just let her be outdoors and just spend some good quality time together. Let's get these goodbye festivities going and let's head to Starved Rock. Did you have fun? She is gonna be so tired later and we are going to drive home now, but that was so much fun. I think she really enjoyed it. She was great around the other dogs and it was just such a fun time. I am so glad that we did that together. Did you have fun? Ivy just woke up from her nap and we're at Starbucks because my mom's gonna get her a pup cup to say goodbye. No way to change. Someone is all pooped out for the day, so we will pick up the going away festivities tomorrow. But felt so far away. Last night was one big... It does not feel real that today is mine and Ivy's last full day together. I'm going to be a mess. We just woke up and are cuddling before I have to go to work, but I did make her a special treat for when I leave. Last night, I froze a topple with some peanut butter, and I saved some of her breakfast, so I'm gonna add that to it and make a little enrichment toy for her while I am at work. Cool winds on me out by the shade. Put my weekend on layaway. I am on my way home from work, and the other day I ordered a doggy cake for Ivy, so I am here at the dog bakery and I'm gonna go pick it up. I don't know where I'm going. 2 days. Oh my gosh, this is so stinking cute. This exceeded my expectations and they were able to put everything that I wanted on there. So I'm excited. I can't wait for tonight when I let her have this and we celebrate. Ivy and I are going to head to my dad's house now. We're gonna bring the cake and we're gonna celebrate with my pup from home. She's gonna get to play in the backyard. We also have some canvases and some paw print like things to do. We're gonna head over now and have a great time.
Commotion, I'm being carried by the wake. So hold me like an ocean. I need your soothing motion. Please help me take the pain away. Yeah. No way to change, no way to change our yesterday. No way to change, no way to change our yesterday. Did you fall a long way down?
We are headed back to my mom's now. She didn't paint yet or do her paw print because she was just having so much fun and I didn't want to stop her. She did thoroughly enjoy that cake and so did Tyga. So I'm glad that they both loved it. But let's go home and finish off the rest of the festivities for the night.
The only one this town has found for me. You got something I can't afford to lose. I'm running over under sky blue. You pull me close.
This turned out so stinking cute. I have to let it dry for 48 hours. So we're gonna leave it overnight and then I'm gonna finish it off with some ribbon and her name.
Meet my view, my view. There's no one like you. Yeah, there's no one like you. Painting my view with all that you do. There's no one like you. 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 With all that you do. Every single time you come around, I need a clarity I never found. I can feel your love without a sound.
Look at this masterpiece. It is gorgeous. Once it's done drying, I am just going to write her name on it, probably Ivy Bean, then maybe like a date or something on the back. But we are all done for the night. I love how everything turned out and I hope she enjoyed her little treats today. We are just going to go cuddle and go to bed. So I'll see you guys all tomorrow for our last day together. Are you sad? I'm really sad. I'm gonna miss you. We'll see you guys all tomorrow.
You got something I can't afford to lose. I'm running over under sky blue. You pull me closer and meet my view, my view. There's no one like you. Yeah, there's no one like you.
Today's the day when Ivy leaves. I'm gonna be a mess today. I sincerely apologize. Ivy has to be at the Helping Paws pickup at 11 a.m. and it takes 2 hours to get there. So the goal is to leave by 8:30ish, no later than that. We really have to get a jump on our morning I have to pack up the car. I have to write her helping paws trainer a note. And I think that's about it. I'm not ready for today. We're just all gonna quickly get ready, get our stuff together, and head out the door.
Love you with all that you do. There's no one like you. 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 With all that you do.
My last letter to her prison trainer is done. She also asked in her last note to send a picture of Ivy. I couldn't decide, so I printed a bunch. So she now has a bunch of pictures of Ivy that I am going to send with. Car and Ivy all packed. It's 8:22, so we made perfect timing. Let's hit the road, but first we have to stop at Starbucks for one last pup cup. We just made it. We are 15 minutes early, so we're just going to hang out and get our goodbyes in. I love you so much. I'll see you at graduation, okay? I'll see you at your graduation. Don't forget about me, okay? I love you so much. Go out and be amazing for this okay? Bye, sweet girl. And just like that, my Ivy Bean is on to bigger and better things. I am going to miss her so much. I will gladly take her back if service work isn't for her. But I know it is, and she will do amazing things. So I cannot wait for the day that she graduates. Ivy, I am so incredibly proud of you. I've loved watching you grow, and I cannot wait to see everything you're going to accomplish because I know you will do amazing things. It never gets easier, I swear. She is such an incredible, sweet, sassy dog, and I'm going to miss the heck out of her. Thank you all so much for watching and joining me on my last few days with Ivy. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and click that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and TikTok, which will be right here. And yeah, all right. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next video. Bye.